Hi, I've got a question for you. What does it take to get something into space? You need launch facilities, launch vehicles, payloads, and the right people. Scientists to develop the payloads and to discover what's out there so we know how to deal with the challenges of working in space, whether the work is done by people or machines. Engineers to design the hardware, software, and equipment. People to train, monitor, and operate it all. Technicians, machinists, welders, and specialized construction workers to build the rockets, the satellites, and the test facilities. Specialists in required aerospace standards, safety, quality, government regulations, and legal matters. Specialized recruiters, human resources, purchasing, and inventory personnel who understand the requirements of running a very controlled environment. Marketing, public relations, business analysts, and more. Bringing all these people together to accomplish the goal of getting to space is a unique challenge that takes each person some adjustment time. Here are just a few examples of the challenges. Engineers don't often enter the workforce understanding the difficulties of manufacturing. Technicians get frustrated when they're testing designs that keep changing. Purchasers need to understand how to support quality goals. Recruiters and HR need to find and assemble a wide variety of skills, experiences, and educational backgrounds to create a vibe that encourages productive collaboration. Generalists from non-technical fields have to learn to apply their skills to aerospace. In addition, making progress in aerospace demands that a company have a culture of quality, a culture of legal compliance, and most importantly of all, a culture of safety. And good PR, folks, when things go wrong, and they will, because space is hard. In this growing field, where there's a shortage of qualified and skilled aerospace workers, wouldn't it be great if companies could just hire people that already understand and practice all these things? Until now, there hasn't been a hub to bring together universities, technical colleges, community colleges, and the space industry to give blended student teams the resources, mentoring, and hands-on experiences needed to hit the ground running at an aerospace company. But SWIFT, the Space Workforce Incubator for Texas, is going to do just that. SWIFT understands these challenges and has the right people to overcome them as we build the people who build the rockets, build the facilities, and build the companies that get to space. And to quote Dan Golden, better, faster, and cheaper. I'm Sandy Barker. I'm not an astronaut, but I've trained them. I'm not a pilot, but I've worked on jet engine and APU maintenance. I'm not a lawyer, but I've kept aerospace professionals from going to jail. I don't test rocket engines, but I've kept technicians safe. I've taught launch vehicle systems design at a major Texas university, implemented aerospace standards at a Texas launch company, and helped to train the first 4 crews of the International Space Station to operate onboard systems while working at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. Yes, I've been certified by NASA to provide space operations training, and I'm proud to pay it forward as a co-founder and advisor to SWIFT. Our goal at SWIFT is to make Texas the place to find the employees space companies need. We're not duplicating anything the schools are doing. We're adding value. Hands-on cross-operational collaboration, specialized facilities, hardware donations, test facilities for dangerous operations, and the experienced mentoring and oversight that researchers and academics do not have the time to provide. We're not duplicating anything the schools are doing, like I said. We're bringing them together, helping companies build the employees they want, filling in the difficult gaps, and building an aerospace culture of positive, productive collaboration. If you're interested in joining us on this mission, go to swiftrocket.org to support us and to find your place in space.